How to delete search history on the YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, scroll down a bit and you will find the option called Your Data in YouTube. Simply tap on that. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and look for the option labeled Manage your YouTube search history. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And here you will see the option to delete your search history. So simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, simply tap on delete all time from the drop down menu and confirm your action by simply tapping on delete again. And after tapping on that, your search history of YouTube will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete your search history on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.